Hello there. Today we are going to talk about how to name a coordination compound.
First rule is the priority goes to cation if both cation and anion present in a compound. Example given is potassium hexachloroplatinate 4 where potassium is named first. Second rule is the total charges must balance to 0. Just like in the slide, we can calculate the total charges where in the end the plus 2 and negative 2 cancel out each other, balancing the total charges to 0. Number 3. These complex ions must be written in square brackets, just like the example given. Next, ligands must be named first before metal atom or ion. Also, the ligands must be named according to their alphabetical order. Following the last step, the metal atom or ion must be named after naming all the ligands present. Don't forget that oxidation state is written in Roman numerals. The anionic ligands end with the suffix O. The anionic ligands that end with the suffix "ite" change to O. The anionic ligands that end with the suffix "ite" change to "ito." The anionic ligands that end with the suffix "ate" change to "ato."
Neutral ligands are referred to by the usual name for the molecule, for example, ethylenediamine. Exceptions for three, which are firstly, water or known as H2O equals to aqua, ammonia, which is known as NH3 equal to amine, and last one, carbon monoxide, which is known as CO equals to carbonyl. Greek prefixes are used to indicate the number of type of ligand in the complex when more than one is present. For example, 2 is called as di, 3 is called as tri, while 4 is tetra, 5 penta, and 6 hexa. For example, potassium hexachloroplatinate IV. But if the names already contain with the Greek prefix, use alternate prefix, such as 2 is called as bis, 3 is tris, while 4 is tetrakis, 5 pentakis, and 6 hexakis. For example, triisosalactoferrate. Oppositely, if the complex is N and ion, the name will end with ATE. For example, aurum and plumbum. If the complex is N-ionic, aurum will be written as aurate, meanwhile plumbum will be written as plumbate. Example below platinum is named as platinum.
Let me show you some of the examples for a better understanding. As per the rules, we have to name the cation before the anion, therefore the name starts with potassium. Next, we have to take a look at the ligand. The ligand in this case is bromine. There is 4 bromine and the bromine is anion. Therefore, the name would be tetrabromo. Next, the metal atom in this case has an oxidation number of 2, and since the complex is anionic, the name would be cuprate 2. So, the name of this compound is potassium tetrabromocuprate 2. First, the ligand is cyanide. Cyanide is an anionic ligand and it has 4, therefore we are going to name it tetracyano. Next, the metal atom is nickel. Since nickel has an oxidation of 2 and the complex is anion, the name would be nickelate 2. So, the full name of this compound would be tetracyanonickelate 2 ion. The ligands are named in alphabetical order, therefore, amine is named first, followed by chloro. Since there's 2 amine and 2 chloro, that means the name will start with diamine, dichloro. The metal atom in this case has an oxidation number of 2, and since the complex is a neutral one, the name platinum will remain. So the name of this complex is diamine dichloroplatinum 2. Since the ligand is a polydentate, the name will start with tris ethylenediamine. Next, the metal atom has an oxidation number of 4. Therefore, the name would be platinum 4, indicating the complex is not an anionic one. And lastly, the anion in the outer space will be named last, which in this case is bromine. Therefore, the name of this compound is tris ethylenediamine platinum 4 bromide. Thank you for watching.